Hi guys, I'm Marco and today I'm making thumbprint cookies. These thumbprint cookies are from my home country Argentina and it brings childhood memories since I've been eating them all my life. They are perfect for a mate session. This recipe is very quick and easy. We will start by mixing the dry ingredients, all-purpose flour and baking powder. I mix everything well and set aside. Next, I mix powdered sugar with butter. The butter needs to be soft, so make sure to take it out from the fridge several hours before you start making the recipe. Otherwise, it's going to be very difficult to integrate it with the sugar. This part is going to take 4 to 5 minutes, but make sure you scrape the bowl now and then so that everything is well integrated, and mix it until it's pale like this. Then I add the egg, vanilla extract, and I also like to add some zest, in this case lemon, but you can use orange or skip it altogether if you don't like it. Mix it well until it looks like this, and then we're going to incorporate the dry ingredients with the wet. At this point we don't use the mixer anymore, just integrate it with a spatula, making sure that it comes together like a dough. Try not to touch it with your hands because it's going to be very sticky. Then I wrap it with the cling film, flatten it a bit, and this dough needs to rest in the fridge for 1 hour. Otherwise it's going to be difficult to form the cookies. Now traditionally in Argentina we use quince paste. It's like a preserve made with the quince fruit. But if you cannot find it wherever you are, just use any jam. If you're using the quince paste or any preserve that is a bit firm, use a bit of water to loosen it a bit. Once it looks like this, we need to let it cool before we can use it. After 1 hour in the fridge, the dough has the perfect consistency to start forming the cookies. But if you let it be in the fridge longer, the dough might be a bit too hard and the cookies will crack when you print them with your thumb. These cookies are so nostalgic to me. They take me back to my childhood in Argentina. They used to be my favorite, and they taste the same like another Argentine classic, pasta frolla. We also have a recipe for that and I will leave the link below. One tip I can give you is flour your thumb before you mark them because the dough tends to be a bit sticky. Another tip is, if you don't like the jam pointing like that, you wet your finger and flatten it a bit. Then I take them to the oven, preheated at 355 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Don't wait too long before putting them on a rack or else they're going to stick to the tray. And another characteristic of this cookie is that they are pale on top and golden at the bottom. And now I'm gonna make the big sacrifice of testing them. They are unreal. So delicious. I really hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, leave it in the comments below. I would love to know how it turns out. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and until the next one.